All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at Affirm, ticker symbol AFRM. And now we got a few things we're looking at, but this one has been performing pretty well. Right here, it had a 9-day, 80% rally. It tried to break out, but it's been pulling back since, okay? Which, that's healthy after a very strong pullback or after a very strong rally, okay? What we're going to look at, we're going to look at these three ovals right here first, okay? This is what's known as a low, a lower low, okay? And then another lower low. So we have three lower lows on the stock chart. And down here, we have this graph known as the RSI, which is an indicator that a lot of traders like to look at. And we have a low here. Okay, here's our lowest point. All right. If we look up here, back up here at the stock price, we made a lower low, but here we're making a higher low. And then here we make another lower low and we're making higher low here. So when the RSI is making higher lows and the stock price is making lower lows, that's what's known as bullish divergence. And that's when you saw that pop. Okay. We got the very nice bounce off of that bullish divergence trend line from here, from this low to the higher low here. And then it went up on the RSI and the stock price did the same thing. That's when we had that very nice rally. All right. Now, the reason we're looking at that is because we are approaching this trend line again. So we have this blue line here as a possible bounce zone where, we have the potential and we want to look out on trades to see, okay, are we going to possibly bounce off of this bullish divergence trend line as we have done in the past, right? So that's just something that we're watching out for right now, that you guys should be aware of. Okay. We're going to go back into the stock chart a little bit more. And we have a yellow price level. That's basically essentially like my base support level. All right. It's at 40.08. And then we have this blue level at 47.24. This is my breakout level. Okay. So meaning that like once we get above this level, we can break out into our bullish price targets, which are just, areas that you want to take profit on. Right. And so the bullish price target for this one is going to be 54.4. And then if we break this yellow base support level of 40.08, then our bearish price target is going to be 32.97. All right. So to be able to play this, here's what you have to do. Okay. You have to wait for what's known as like confirmation. And just kind of read the candlesticks, right? So what we mean by that is we're going to be looking for the candlesticks to actually open. Okay, you see how this one opened above the yellow line and closed above the yellow line? That's what we're looking for. We're looking for candles to open and close above our levels. All right. So once we do that, then we have a sign that we can potentially go up to the next level, right? So we go from our base support up to our breakout level, but we never open and close a candlestick above our breakout level, and we never hit our bullish price target above it, right? Again, you see we actually come back down into it, okay? And now we're starting to open and close below our base support level. Here we have open and close below, open and close below, open and close below, open and close below. So right now we're opening and closing below 40.08. And until we break past this level and the candlesticks start to open and close above that level, we're going to head down and we're going to consolidate in between 40.08 and 32.97. So it may look something like this, where it's just kind of bouncing back and forth in between these areas until we have a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. All right. So that's what we're looking at currently. And from here up to the bullish price target still offers a nice return. So be about 47%, but I wouldn't get into this play at all, really. I would wait until we have a breakout above here, above 47.24, and then just play that move right there. That's about a 15% on the stock price. And that's something that I would look for on a trade, right? So that way you can have a clear entry and exit and a stop loss, right? So your entry would be the break above 47.24, and then you want to hold your position if the candlesticks are opening and closing above 47.24. If they start to close below, well, then you can exit, and you can exit your stop loss right here at 47.24, exit your position because, as I said, the candlesticks are closing below. All right. Now, one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind, If we go, let's go out to the weekly chart real quick. Okay, and actually we can still see it better on the daily, right? I have the green and blue levels extended over here to the left, all right, all the way out on the drawing. So remember the green was our bullish price target and the blue was our breakout level. I want you guys to notice, all right, that the blue line, our breakout level, has been a major support level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in the past on this candlestick. Okay. The last time it was active was back in April of 2021. And now, right now, we are in April of 2022. All right. So what we're doing is we're doing something where you have to you basically the stock market flips levels, right? So we are now flipping this breakout level of that used to be a support level, right? All these times, and then these times, we're flipping that now from support to resistance. Okay, so now we're trading below this level. So we flipped it, and now it's our major resistance level. So once we get above there, then we'll just have to face that green line right here, bullish price target. And again, you guys can see a major support level here multiple times. So these are really the two main levels that a firm needs to get past for it to head back up into the hundreds. Okay. We have all-time highs here of 176.75, but until it gets past 54.4 and 47.24, those are the major areas of support that we have now flipped into resistance. So we're not going to be able to get any higher overall on the stock, and it's going to keep going in a downtrend if we do not get past 47.24 and 50.4. Right now, if you are a long-term bullish investor on a firm, then one thing you could look at, okay, is that shares. If you do think that in 5 to 10 years, shares will return back to all-time highs, they are offering around 350% currently. If you buy now and hold years, or maybe, it may take months, it may take years, it may take a year, it may take 5 years or 10 years, right? You can't really predict the future, but if this is a company that, you want to put in, long term, it is offering over 350% to all-time highs. So you can always keep that in mind, but I don't recommend that's not really my investment strategy, right? I like to trade a lot of stocks, and then investing long term is going to be a little bit different of a strategy than day trading or swing trading. So that's enough for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know any requests you have. Okay, I do viewer requests every single week, so if you have stock or anything like that you guys want me to analyze for you, chart up, maybe give you some strategies, tutorials on, let me know in the comments below.